How to make great looking AI videos with your face in it. I will show you everything I'm doing. So the first and I think the most important part is finding or coming up with ideas, and what I found helpful is Midjourney. Basically, you go on Midjourney on Explore page, and what you do, you just scroll down and you find something that is really impressive or that you are inspired by. And I don't think there is a better website where you can get inspired. So you basically go on Midjourney, explore, then you can sort by images. You can even sort by videos. There is nothing specific. You will just scroll down and you will see random ideas, and all these ideas are looking so crazy. You don't have to search for the prompts. You just click on, for example, this video. Here you see the prompt for this specific video. Also, you click on the image and you will see the image, and you will also see the prompt for the image, which is crazy. You just scroll, and here, for example, I found this video and I thought, okay, I will swap my face and I will make it look realistic. And the second thing you will do, you will use Nano Banana Pro. And what I'm using is Higgsfield, because on Higgsfield you can use all of the image models and all of the video models. So for example, you buy credits and you don't want to create images today, you want to create videos. You will create videos spending basically credits. That's why I don't buy separate services. I buy everything on Higgsfield. And here is the image. So for example, I uploaded the specific image that it was created from, and I uploaded a image of my face. And the next thing is just write a prompt, something similar like this. Swap the robot man's face to other man, which is me. Keep everything the same, make him fit the scene. This is really important, right? Make him fit the scene, change the face expression, but make it fit the scene and the colors and vibe. Nano Banana Pro will try to fit you in the scene with the same colors so it doesn't look fake. And here you can see some of the images actually look fake. But this was really hard to do. For other images, for example, this one, here you can see this was the image I found on Midjourney. Then I used my face as a reference, and here is the prompt again. Here you can see, and copy and paste it, and I basically created four images at once. And another thing I love about Higgsfield is that you can select any of these models. Select Nano Banana Pro, this is the best one. Then you choose aspect ratio. You choose automatically 2K. It will be without a watermark, and you can create 4 images at once. You can actually create 8 images if you are on a creator plan like I am. The best part is that, for example, you find a great image like this one. Then you go to this user, and most likely this user will have many insane images, as you already see. And all these are AI generated. And for example, you scroll down, you see something you are inspired by, you click on the image, you see everything that it was used to create this image. Now I will recommend you to upload high quality photo of yourself, all the facial features. So most images actually look like me. For example, this one, I would say this is like 99% looking like me. But this is still really impressive and really easy. Here you can see, I mean, this actually looks like me. So yeah, the closer the face, the more similar it will be to you. So the next thing is you create an image, you click on it, then you automatically can press animate. You don't have to go to other websites. So Higgsfield has it all. And here you will see I'm using KLING 3.0 because the audio is really great. The visuals, the video looks really, really realistic. And here you will write the prompt, or here was the specific prompt. Keep the man's face consistent. So I want it to keep consistent, so it looks like me. If you add some smiling or anger, it will basically change so much that it will not look like you. Camera is still, the man is just chilling while a strong wind is blowing, and some small birds are stopping on the flowers and flying away. And here's the result. So this looks impressive. The birds also didn't look like AI generated, looked quite real, and that's why I love KLING. Also this video, I mean, this looks crazy. And yeah, Seedance 2.0 is not here yet, but it will probably be looking much better. But still, you can generate crazy videos with KLING 3.0. And after, for example, you create this video, you can even use lip sync AI models to add some voice, add some something that I'm saying. And you can even use start frames and end frames. For example, this shot was using start frame and end frame. So here's the result. Now, why I would recommend you to use these end frames as well is because when you get a close-up shot, it will look actually more similar to you. That's why this first image is not looking like me, but when it zooms in, it looks more similar. That's why the effect is much more impressive. So yeah, here are more examples of what I have created. If you want to use all these tools, the link to Higgsfield is below. You will also get a discount by using my referral link, which will be below in the description. So yeah, that's how you can find ideas, create insane images, and create ultra realistic videos with yourself. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.